So, Assalamu alaikum students. This is part 2 of lecture 1. We were discussing types of communication. We had covered intrapersonal and interpersonal communication, and we were down to group communication. So, a communication that occurs or happens in the form of a group is a group communication, and a group can be of a minimum of 2 members, and there is no limit to the maximum. So, but here a question must arise in your mind: what if a group communication, can happen in among between two people? So, what is the difference between interpersonal communication and group communication? So, there is just a slight and technical difference. Interpersonal I can explain it with the help of an example. If I call Mr. Shahzeb in my office, and we have a conversation on the status of the submission of an assignment which I just gave you in the last class, or something like that. So this is interpersonal communication. Two persons are communicating with each other. But if I divide all of your class into uh, uh, two-member groups, and I ask you guys uh, to brainstorm. For example, I give you a topic, and for example, the topic is to to highlight the top 5 problems of Pakistan. Okay, top 5 problems. You have to prioritize them, and you have to justify them. And the group which presents and which justifies their top 5 selection in the best manner, and they will be the winner. For example, so now whatever communication you guys are having with each other is not in the it is actually a group communication. So groups, because you have been designated a group, so this will be group communication. But at the very same time, it is also interpersonal communication. It is not intrapersonal communication. So it does not have to be mutually exclusive to be interpersonal and group communication. It can be both at the very same time. It can be, and every group communication is interpersonal communication. Every group communication is interpersonal communication, but a separate category has been made for a conversation that happens in the form of a group. So that will be a group communication. If you are having a meeting and you are discussing some agenda items into the meeting, that will be a group meeting. You are brainstorming on something, this will be a group communication. Okay, so then is your mass communication. You guys know a communication on a massive level. Simply, if I put it very simply, a communication on a massive level and through a massive channel is mass communication, and that is uh, supposed to reach to general public or a huge audience. This is mass communication. um, so I think uh, uh, this is enough for the lecture. These are the slides where you can. And yes, interpersonal communication, it can be formal or informal. So formal communication is a communication that happens in typical and sophisticated words. Informal communications is when you just don't have to pretend to be someone, and you can be yourself. Actually, it's just a fun thing. Uh, but formal communication is when you use sophisticated words and you follow a code of ethics of the scenario, of the organization, of the environment you are having this conversation in. And informal communication is you don't have to follow any code. You can be slang in your self. So like you, if you are writing a CV, you cannot be informal in that language in your cover letter, or in any case you are having a in an interview, then you can't be informal. If you are talking to your teacher, you can never be, and you should and must not never be informal in your communication. You are giving a presentation, should not be informal. So this is you are writing a paper, you have to be, you are supposed to be very formal. Like you can't write in your paper that I Kazam wanna go to England and he got a gotcha. So these type of words and phrases are not acceptable in formal communication. In informal communication, you can do whatever you want to do. You can explain your ideas by saying level up है, भाई ने तेरी अखीर कर दी है, ठीक है, छोड़ दे बस तू, लटा दिया, छील के रख दिया, रख के छील दिया. These types of phrases can also work. So but you can't say these things in your in your formal communication. Like you will use very sophisticated and calculated words. जी सर इंशाल्लाह इसको हम कर लेंगे, हम देख रहे हैं इसे, हम कर रहे हैं, वी आर ऑन इट सर इंशाल्लाह. तो इस तरह की बातें करते हैं. और इनफॉर्मल में आपको पता ही है आप कैसी बातें करते हैं. So interview is formal, or chatting somewhere, talking to your friends is informal. Group communication, talk. Here it is written more than three individuals. I don't agree with this idea. Group communication, it does not have to be uh, three people. Two persons can also form a group. And teaching, these are some examples. So this is all for this lecture.